Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about some of the ticker symbol that I'm displaying on the screen. I will be looking for some like price action, some support and resistance. For these stocks I might get in or get out. So I was just looking before Tuesday, so I was just thinking maybe just make a quick video on in these stocks. So just sharing my idea what I'm thinking, what are the price points and what is the support and resistance. So a quick video on this particular stock. So if you want, you can just stay till the very end, and if any of the ticker symbol you are interested in, just have a look. So let's start. So the first one is NVCN. This is a requested video, so one of my subscriber requested to make a video on this particular one. So a very quick video. So I'm showing you a daily chart, so you can come down, you can see that the stock gapped down massively, then it's trying to go up. Then once it came to 1.5, then it suddenly in one day it came from 1.5 to 2.5, and then it's a typical penny stock. The very next day the company offered some common share at $2, and you know, like when there is offering, the stock price comes down. So from 2.5 the stock price came to like 1.6, but then like 1.8 was the closing. Then the stock is now around 2.13. So I see this stock might again go up this particular week. So I had a buy order for some order at 2.1 and some limit buy order around $2. So 2 was the offering price, so I think it will not go below 2. So 2.1 and 2, I think that's a good one. But just looking at the chart, I think if you see the blue lines, 2.6, 3.3, 4.14, and you see the upside, how I'm thinking you see some gap up. So I do not know, but at least 4.14, maybe if there is a gap up it can go up to 5.5, but again it's a penny stock, just my thoughts. The other one is ticker symbol GNUS. Again, you can see the stock price went up to $11, then it came down trying to consolidate, and this is a weekly chart, by the way. So for last 4 consecutive weeks, this is green. And just looking at the weekly chart, the blue line is the current price we are sitting at, but these are the resistance: 2.23, 2.93 and 3.5, and the support is around 1.6. so if somehow it comes to 1.6, I think it will bounce back, otherwise it will just go up. There are very good news that came for this particular stock. I'm not going through those fundamentals or the news. If you're interested, please go through the news, or if you're really interested to make a video on a particular stock that I will be showing today, please let me know. Also, let's look at a daily chart for GNUS, and this is what you can see. So we went up to $3, came down, and again tried to push that $2.23 mark, coming down. So there could be, you see, like 3 red candles back to back, 3 red candles. So we might come back to 1.6, then we can bounce back, or we can bounce back. Looking at a daily MACD, we can see the blue line is going down. So we might come down to 1.6, we can bounce back. At the same time, the RSI is also pointing downward. So how I'm playing for this particular stock, either if it comes to 1.6, I will just buy some share, or I might play with some call option for expiry date to 16th of July. So I'm giving this a lot of time, 154 days, and I might play with $1 strike with a premium of 1.28, meaning my break even will be 2.28. So by July, if the stock price goes to 2.28, then I will be in profit. And it recently we went to 2.9 and 2.23. We also reached 3 days before. So 2.28 is not terrible if you think your expiration is in July. Pretty safe in my this is my thoughts. Then the next one is SNDL. I made a video on this particular one. Just wanted to show that you see the line. It's a 5-minute chart. You see the dotted line. So again, it's a triangle, and we came down to support 1.76. Then now we are trying to push up. So maybe if we get out of this falling wedge, and if we can break 2.2, maybe then there is an upside. Also, please note the 1.76 and 1.34, these 2 particular supports. So I have limit buy order for 1.75 and also for 1.33. while I'm talking about SNDL, ACB, the other one. So you can see the stock went up to like $19, then and heavy, like I don't know what's the percentage, but a heavy drop from 19 to 14, then again around like 12.57. So I purchased some stock on Friday, some shares on Friday. So the blue line is the current price. So it might bounce back. You can see it was a previous resistance. Now it could be the new support, and the event if it comes back to the other ones, which is around $11, $10 and 8.3. You can see the green lines here. Then I will just keep I'll just do deep buying, so to make my average down. Overall, SNDL and ACB, I think within next couple of weeks or maybe within couple of months, they will go high. You know, the legislation is gonna change and they will be legalized everywhere in USA, and they might also get some partnership with some other countries outside of US. Like we saw Tilray had a partnership outside of US, so who knows. But it's a deep buying opportunity for sure, and you can see the big red ones, so you know what I'm talking about. The next one is ZOM. So again, this stock we went up, tried to consolidate before, again went up, and we are trying to consolidate here. And I can see again a bull flag pattern. We might move around this pattern for a couple of days, then we might shoot up again. I think we will go at least $5 before March 31st, when their true pharma will be commercialized. So keep an eye. If it comes back to like 2.3, I will just buy more shares. But I think you can see the long wicks at the bottom. It means that whenever the stock is coming down, there are heavy buyers. They are trying to capture the shares at a cheaper price, so then it goes up. So it's all bull sign. So 2.3, or if you want like 2.4, you can set some limit buy order. The other one is ticker symbol CBAT, CBAT Energy. Again, on a weekly chart, this is a weekly chart. You can see how the stock price is going up, and it goes up, goes down. We made a video on this previously, and then the stock then went up, then it came down. Currently I do not have any position for this particular stock, but you can see how we are moving. So we might come back and touch that line, or maybe we can come back to 6.4, who knows. But I just want to show you the support, resistance. You can just pause the video and you can have a look. It went up to 11.4. Currently we are 7.25, so there is an upside of going higher, at least up to 9.5 or $10. The other one is ticker symbol VRAY. Again, this is a daily chart. You can see how the stock price is going high, and then we shoot up back to back 3 days, then we are coming down. So again, this could be a falling wedge. Like once we like break 5.5 something, then it can go up to $7-8. But I will wait till it comes back to 4.4 before I enter the position. Currently I do not have any position for this particular stock. The next ticker symbol is SOLO, SOLO. I made a video on SOLO yesterday. If you are interested, please go to my playlist and watch the video. Again, for this particular one, this is a bull channel going up, so I see some upside, and I have some limit buy order because I think it will bounce back around here, then again it will go up. So I have some call option for this particular one, and I will see how tomorrow goes. Also, the ticker symbol SOS, I made a video yesterday on SOS. It's a cryptocurrency Bitcoin play. So you can see last 2 days were like massive, and we could start tomorrow like really high, starting maybe above 7.5 or $8, who knows. But I have some limit buy order for like $7, then 6.25, 5.33. I will see. Like this one will move with Bitcoin, so do not rush. If the Bitcoin comes back, it should come back, and you can do some deep buying as well. But I see this stock can go up to like 9.5 to $10, maybe $13 or $17. So again, this is something I want to hold for a long time, so I will do deep buying if it comes back. But tomorrow I think it will go up because we know Bitcoin how it is moving. The last one for today is ticker symbol SENS. Again, I made a video on this particular one, SENS Unix. So again, you can see the chart on a daily. So last 4 days how we are moving, and I think we will break through that 4.3 resistance, and then we will go higher. If you want to see more information about this particular stock, please go to my watch list and see the video. Again, like for this one, if it comes back to 3.5, I will just buy 100 shares. Currently I'm holding some call option which will expire in July, so I have sufficient time. And finally I want to show you, you see like all the pre-submitted. So this is some of the like limit buy order I placed for tomorrow. I might revise pre-market, but a long list of a long list of the stocks that I'm going to buy most probably this week, because I was very consistent making profit last few couple of weeks. So I think whenever there is a dip buying opportunity, I want to take that opportunity, because the market will always, even though the market is red, there is always some place where there is a bull market is waiting for you. So maybe sometime we go after like the big stock, NIO, Tesla, Apple. Sometimes the market is down, those stocks are down, but somewhere there is a stock which is exploding. So sometimes the name, when you will look at the names, it could look like unfamiliar to you, and maybe you think, oh, what's that? But you never know, like that can give you some profit. So the chart will tell you something. The fundamental is also important, but in this channel mostly I talk about the breakout pattern. So in next, for short to medium term, right? So not a long term. If it's a long term, then it does not matter, but breakouts are mostly important on a short term, like you get in, get out, those kind of thing. Anyway, so just wanted to share what is my thinking and what I'm planning for this coming week. And have a nice trading day tomorrow. Take care, my friends. Peace.